What's up, Take Pics here, family? It's Lance, your host, and I'm here on another photo walk. Today, we are touring the historic Old Fourth Ward Park, located within Atlanta. This 17-acre park is situated near popular locations like Ponce City Market, Piedmont Park, and the Old Fourth Ward Skate Park. It features city views, sprawling walkways, an amphitheater, and a picturesque pond, which all makes it a great location for photo walking. So let's grab our gear and start taking pics. Today, I was able to meet a dope drone videographer. He's local to Atlanta and his name is Jonathan. He's gonna take us up into the air and give us some cool aerial views of the historic Old Fourth Ward Park's landscape. So, let's keep taking pics.
All right, so right now I'm just doing a basic reveal shot. We're gonna start low and slowly move the gimbal up. And we're gonna slowly just gain some altitude so we can get the full landscape. The key to good drone footage is steady movements, not doing any shaky back and forth movements that take the viewer out of the scene. And me in particular, I like doing lower shots. I mean, of course, the really high shots really, highlight things, but a lot of people forget, get close to the ground, you see a lot more. See the ducks in the pond there. See people walking down there. That's one of the keys, I think, is to getting good drone shots is, mixing up the shots, not just doing super high altitude shots. it.